stay fast and step the fuck back. You wanna move on me, you better bring it on me. I rip shit daily, as my man Todd Bailey. I'm rocking the clock like if I was Bill Haley. I'm cocking my Glock and I got my shillelagh. So watch your lady because I'm Danny Boy. You know it's Danny Boy. It's Danny Boy. You know it's Danny Boy. It's Danny Boy. You know it's Danny Boy. Oh, Danny Boy, the pipes are calling.
Vato Xtreme, using the 60mm tall wine height coil. This is the one that I told you about where I think one side's, it's a dual 2 coil, but one side's leads broke off or we had trouble with or something like that. It was a recovered coil. And so I said, fuck it, let's just do one side. So, because I want to pair this up with the Recoil Audio DI 1200.1, which is a 2 ohm stable amplifier. So somebody was asking today about, you know, does it matter if you only hook up one side? No, it doesn't. Both sides are independent, so it doesn't know any better. Does that make sense? But yeah, we did the GONZO cone and then 130mm shiny carbon fiber. There is a inner dust cap below that to keep the pressure off this, and then we also epoxied this into place. So it doesn't look very nice. We ended up using the oversized 10-inch gasket, I believe. Yeah, it seems to fit the frame a little bit better. And then we did spacers underneath where I anchored some of these leads as well too. But you saw the woofer for it. It stretches that butthole pretty good. There's that nice squeaky drawer that you guys like. And then let's see, we do 8.5 when we do a 10. Let's do the free air. FS is coming in at 32.3. QTS is 1.954. There you go. And then let's add the mass, which is 721 grams. Let's double check that. It doesn't seem quite heavy enough. This is a little weed scale, drug scale that I got from Amazon a long time ago. It goes up to 1 kilo, which I thought was pretty good, especially for a $10 scale. 718. What do we have it at? 721. Maybe it has to do with temperature, so we'll update it. 721 to 718. I don't think it makes that big difference, but I know you guys out there with the OCD, shoulda, stick this thumb right in your butthole. I don't like that. Shoulda. VAS is 0.6 cubic feet. So very, very tiny box, very high BL, high QTS. All that does is mean it's best for ported boxes. That's all. And at whatever frequency you tune it to, I recommend right around 33 hertz. It's going to unload, meaning it'll get real floppy. But this thing has the excursion and the suspension to be able to handle that. So it should be a good fit. I wanted to show you guys, whenever you see a low Q woofer, this peak will be like way up here. It'll be like crazy out of control, just so you know. But that's it. For those asking, my poop was very good. It clogged the toilet, and so, but after about 3 tries and a shower just to kind of let it sit, it went down and it made the golden noise, which is the which tells you the toilet ate the turd. So, but I love you guys and thank you for your support.